Welcome back. It's a girl, Kate Infinity, and from the title, we are looking at men from Kenya who do cross dressing, and this has become a very fast and new trend here in Kenya, whereby there are Kenyan men who have gone an extra mile to cross dress as a signature style that has really paid off. I know most of you are wondering, how does it work? Well, most of cross dressers are proudly coming out to showcase their talents as comedians, TV hosts, MCs, and also in marketing. Others do it for comfort and self-expression. Most of these men who dress like women have come out of their closet with makeup, earrings, and manicured nails. Let's have a look at Kenyan cross dressers. We have Dennis Karori, who is a makeup artist and founder of Makeup by Dennis. He has worked with various celebrities here in Kenya, such as Millie Chebi, Tanasha Donna, The True Love Magazine, Miss P, among others. Dennis does this cross-dressing to showcase his artistic way of doing makeup, and as you can see from the videos, that is him. At number 2, we have Kelvin Kinuthia, who is a public figure, a content creator on TikTok and YouTube, an actor and an influencer. Basically, he does the cross-dressing for advertisement and for his TikTok videos. At number 3, we have Shaniqua, well known as Kevin Mwangi, who is a comedian, a social media influencer, a TV and event host. Normally, we see Shaniqua in dresses, makeup, wigs, while doing his comedy works. And in case you don't know, Shaniqua is a father of one. Number 4, we have Johnny, the hair designer and makeup artist, who is a hair stylist and a makeup artist. Johnny has worked as a hairstylist for celebrities and different companies such as K24, Kameme, Selina Maisha Magic, and Luanda Rockman.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own.
We can all see that Johnny is well glammed up, and this is what he does for his clients. Out of 10, can you rate these cross-dressers here in Kenya? Who do you think does it the best?
Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stop.
Kim Dennis Karari is a digital content creator and a TikToker who does cross-dressing mainly for his TikTok videos, and he has 21,600 followers on Instagram.
Out here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say, I don't push pause, no I push play, I won't stop till I make a change, I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits, I build tall, never capped in space, I won't stop till I hear him say, 6 a.m. and I'm up again, I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend, that's right, in the AM that's my only friend, no light, just the sun coming up on the horizon, I lose track of time.
And finally, who doesn't know Eric Omondi, the president of comedy here in Africa? He is the CEO of Big Time Entertainment, and he normally does the cross-dressing for comedy and advertisement.
And climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines, and I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes, you snooze half the time while I move passing by, I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say, I don't push pause, no I push play, I won't stop till I make a change, I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits, I build tall, never capped in space, I won't stop till I hear him say,
What do you think about cross-dressing? Do you think it's right for men to wear women clothing? Does cross-dressing affect one's sexual orientation? Kindly drop a comment down below. Let us know your thoughts on this whole issue. And for those who are new here, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure that the notification bell is on. Like this video, comment, and share it with your friends. Bye bye.